Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Defiant keypad lock is not unlocking, if it is beeping unexpectedly, rejecting the codes or refusing the lock properly, don't worry, in this video I will walk you through the most effective troubleshooting steps in order to get the lock working again in 2026. So first of all, you need to start with the simple fix first, which is the batteries. So many of the Defiant lock problems, including the delayed responses, random beeping, flashing lights, and even failed locking attempts, are caused by weak batteries. So you need to first of all replace all the batteries with a fresh set of alkaline batteries, and also make sure that you avoid mixing the old and the new batteries together. After you have replaced the battery, you need to simply test the keypad again before moving on to more advanced fixes. Now, if even after replacing the batteries, you are still facing the problem, you just have to simply verify the deadbolt moves freely. So you need to first of all unlock the door, and then you need to test the deadbolt while the door is open. If the deadbolt works normally with the door open but struggles when the door is closed, it means that the issue is with the door alignment rather than the lock itself. So sometimes a misaligned strike plate can create the resistance that prevents the motor from operating correctly. So the deadbolt should slide in and out smoothly without sticking. Now, if the keypad lights up but won't accept the code, you can try entering the code slowly and carefully. The Defiant locks may temporarily disable the keypad after multiple incorrect code attempts. So you just have to simply wait for about a minute and then you need to try again. If none of your user codes work, you need to use the master code in order to verify that the lock's programming hasn't been changed. So this can help determine whether the issue is with the code or the lock itself. So if none of the methods are working for you, you can just simply perform a factory reset. So you need to simply locate the reset button inside the battery compartment, and you need to press and hold it for a few seconds. Afterwards, when the lock beeps or when it shows you the green light, it simply means that the reset is successful. So after resetting it, you can just simply try using it again and see if it is now working properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.